Jenny here. In today's video we are going to make a 7-layer taco dip. This is a good recipe to make if you're going to have a bunch of friends over and you need just a bunch of snacky foods out, or maybe if you're going over to a friend's house and need to take a dish to share. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to use some refried beans, some black olives, sour cream, which we're going to mix some taco seasoning in with, some onion, tomatoes, shredded lettuce, and shredded cheese. Alright, first step we are going to use, I'm using a like 9x9 glass dish, one because I can cover it, and two, I'm just going to make a smaller recipe. You can use this type of dish, you can use an oblong pan, you could use a cookie sheet, any type of thing you want to. We're going to start off with our first layer of the beans, and we're just going to spread these out on the bottom. Alright, next we're going to take our sour cream, and I am just going to put it into another bowl, and we're going to mix our taco seasoning in there, and then we're going to spread that on top of our black beans. Alright, next we're going to put our layer of lettuce on, and then we're going to put a layer of cheese on. Okay, now I'm going to chop up some tomatoes and some onion, and we're going to layer those on top. And last but not least, we're going to add some black olives. I've already drained these from the can, and actually I'm only going to put this on half of my salad because I don't care for the black olives, but the rest of my family does. So they can eat half and I can eat half. Ha ha. And there you have it, a quick and easy recipe. And it covers all the food groups. You have your protein, your dairy, your fruits, your vegetables, and your carbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to subscribe to me, you can click down there. If you want to see another video, you can click up there. I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Delicious. And last but not least, we're going to add some black tomatoes. Okay, I think I have it. You still rolling? Why are you still rolling? You putz. And there you have it, the quick and easy recipe. And it covers all the, all of them. It does.